In this video, I will show you how to uninstall and delete apps on your Sony TV. Now, over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Sony TV you have, whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. This simple tutorial will still guide you to uninstall and delete any unnecessary app on any Sony Bravia TV you have. Now, there are basically two ways to uninstall and delete apps on your Sony TV. The first method is to basically go ahead and highlight a specific app you want to uninstall and delete from your Sony Bravia TV. So take for instance, if I want to uninstall and delete this BB racing game over here, what I would just do is to basically long press on the OK button once the app is highlighted, and then just scroll down to the view details option over here. And then from here, you can go ahead and uninstall it by just clicking on the uninstall button over here. Now, that is just a very simple way to uninstall and delete any unnecessary app you find on the homepage of the TV. So you can go ahead and uninstall and delete any apps from here using that particular method, or any apps from the app section. But one thing you have to note is that not all apps can actually be uninstalled and deleted from your Sony TV. So for instance, pre-installed apps on the TV cannot actually be deleted and uninstalled. So you cannot just come and delete some necessary apps that comes with the TV. So for instance, this Bravia notification app, you will find out that there is no option to actually delete the app. This is specifically because this particular app is a necessary app and you can't just delete it from the TV. Now, another way you can actually uninstall and delete apps from your Sony TV is to just head over to the settings of the TV at the top right corner of the TV. And then from the settings, you want to scroll over to apps over here. Go ahead and click on it, then click on see all apps, and from here you should be able to find all of the apps holistically on your Sony TV. So all of the apps, both side-loaded apps, system apps, you can actually find them over here on your Sony TV. And to delete and uninstall any of these apps, you want to go ahead and click on the app, and then just go ahead and click on the uninstall button, click on OK, and automatically that particular app will be uninstalled and deleted from your Sony TV. Now, you can go ahead and do this on your Sony Bravia TV, your Sony Google TV, Sony Android TV, whichever Sony TV you have. Trust me, this particular method actually works for it. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.